Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. Now I told you guys that I was gonna try and record as much as possible just because I'm trying to upload and I'm trying to show you guys as much as I can on what's going on inside the garage. But in today's video I am gonna be showing you guys and assembling a brand new Harbor Freight portable work stand. Now for all of you boys that don't know what a portable work stand is, it looks like this right here. Now this portable work stand is the exact same one that I'm gonna show you guys how to assemble. The good thing about these things is they adjust on how far they can open, and the way you do that is by the change right here. So if you have a small panel, a really large panel, it doesn't matter because I feel like this portable work stand will do the job for any size panel. Now the reason why I got these portable work stands is because I don't want to have all of these parts just laying on the ground. I want to be able to actually put them somewhere and keep them there for as long as possible without having to worry about them chipping on the floor or somebody stepping on it. It's so much easier to just put it on a stand and leave it. Not only that, those portable work stands also have foam cushions on them. As you guys can see, it is going to be these black things right here. Now what that does, it protects whatever you're putting in top of this work stand. For example, these parts that I'm sanding down aren't going to get damaged or scuffed because they have this foam cushion right here. A lot of people, what they do is, you know those foam tubes that are colorful that you see in pools, like the green, yellow, and purple ones? Well, people like to put those in there. The ones that come with the portable work stand do the job just fine. So I'm not gonna be upgrading anything. I'm just gonna leave it exactly how it is. I'm just telling you guys what I've seen people do. But yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna be, like I said, showing you guys the portable work stand. I am gonna be assembling it because I need it to continue with this painting process. I want to take all of the doors out of the car, but I don't have a spot to put them. So right now what I want to do is I want to sand, like I said, all of the car doors, but I need another work stand in order to do that. So because this is my fourth time buying it, I figured I'd just show it to you guys. If I like it this much, I'm pretty sure somebody out there is gonna like them just as much as I am. So without further ado, let's go ahead and build us a portable work stand. So this is what the portable work stand comes in. Got my Milwaukee knife. I love this thing. It has dual blades though, so that's pretty funny. Alright, so this is everything that comes portable work stand. You got the actual two tops, the foam cushions that go in them. You got the four legs, the four leg caps. This is like shoes for the legs. And then over here we have all of the hardware. We got 4 small washers, 2 medium washers. We got some bolts here, some bolts there, and then we got 2 hooks and then 2 hooks. But with these 2 hooks, you got the chains attached to it. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put the cushion, the legs, and then I'll show you guys how I like to assemble it. Alright, so I went ahead and put the cushion in there, as you guys can see. One of the tricks that I like to do is I like to slide it in from here, so it doesn't matter how long this is. All I'm doing is moving it in through this side right here, because if you try moving it in through here, it's gonna get caught up here. So it's easier just to slide everything in through here, and then once you get everything past this point, you can extend it and make it actually look nice. And then I got the shoes on there as well. I know these aren't called shoes, but that's what I'm gonna call them. The actual name for them is gonna be rubber cover, I guess. As you can see there, it's number 2, rubber cover. Where is it? Oh, there we go. See? So yeah, I guess they're called rubber covers. I like shoes a little better, so I'm just gonna keep calling them shoes. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna stick these 4 inside each one of them. And then after we do that, that's when the tricky part comes. So right now we're gonna start actually putting in all of the hardware. One of the things that I recommend you do is don't tighten anything until you're done and complete. Just because some of these bolts have like this blue thread lock, so once you use these and you try reusing them, they won't be as durable because you worn out the thread lock that's in there. So try and make sure that you don't mess up with those. You only got 3 of these, but I think you only need 2. They give you an extra one in case you mess up. I have all of the hardware laid out where it's gonna go. Thankfully this work stand has pre-drilled holes, so it's kind of hard for you to mess up on how these are supposed to sit. So as you guys can see right here, I gotta make it line up with this hole. Since this hole's already lined up, that means that the holes right here should line up next to each other, like so. Now you gotta put the chain with the loop on it first. You gotta put this on the other end though, so that you can tighten it, and then that's gonna go right there. On the other end, we're gonna put this hook, but I put 2 flanges right there. That's gonna go in here, but in the other side like this. And the reason you want to put 2 of them there is because if it doesn't have it and it looks like this, when you go to put it in and tighten it, you're gonna find out that it's sticking to the actual work stand, the tip of this hook. So when you go to hook the chain on here, it's not gonna hook because it's literally stuck to the actual work stand. So that flange you gotta put right here so that it sticks like this and you got something to hook it onto. So don't forget to do that, because that's something I forgot to do when I first got a work stand. So that's gonna go under like that. I just gotta put the bolts back in there. And last but not least is gonna be this setup right here. Now you gotta put the bolt in through here, but you gotta have this washer on there first, like so. So you're gonna put it in like this. This washer needs to stick in the middle of these 2 legs, or else they won't move. They gotta like be a little separated, because if you don't put that washer, it's just gonna stick like this and it's not gonna let it move. So that washer gives it a little bit of space so that it can move freely. And then last, we're gonna put the flange with the blue thread lock in it. That's just gonna make sure that with the vibration that you're gonna be putting on this, it doesn't unbolt on its own. So you want to make sure that you put the ones with the blue thread lock in there, not the ones that just have threads in it like this one. Now that you guys know how I'm gonna set this up, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. If things go well, this work stand should be able to open and close just like that one. Yeah, let's do this so that we can start sanding down some car parts again. As you guys can see, we got one full work stand over another one, but it's sticking out in a way where the top one is on this side of the bottom one, but it's on the inside of the other one. So of this, you guys can see that it's inside, but over here it's outside. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Again, I got the bolt with the chain on like so, and then the hook just has a bolt there, a bolt there, and it's the same thing on this side. So all I'm gonna do right now is finish putting the rest of the hardware, which is this step right here, and we should be all done. Alright, now I told you guys not to tighten it up until you were all done, but honestly this is the last step for me, so all I did was went ahead and tighten it. But this is what it's supposed to look like. I got the flange with the thread lock in there at the end, the washer in the middle, and then another washer and the actual bolt right there. So it's bolt, washer, washer, bolt. And again, same thing on this side. So now for the moment in truth to see if this actually opens up right. It works. Alright, the portable work stand is now complete. This is the 4th one that I built, like I told you guys, so it was pretty easy now that I know what I was doing. And this is what it looks like. So this is it right here. Again, you can adjust how wide you want it to open with the chains here. You want to make sure that you also keep it even with the ends, or else it won't sit right. I feel like I've been saying portable work stand way too many times in this videos. With that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But this is Javi from Javi's Productions. Stay tuned, my friends.